Welcome. In this video I will show you how to start a screen recording on iPhone 15 Pro. First, let's swipe down the control center and now tap the plus icon in the top left corner of your screen to add a screen recording control. Tap add a control at the bottom and then select screen recording right here. Then tap on an empty space of your control center, and to start a screen recording, tap on this icon, wait until the countdown is finished, and once you see the red circle in here, that means that the screen recording is active. And to stop it, you have to swipe down the control center again and then tap on this icon once again. If you want to record your screen and your own voice, so using the microphone, hold your finger down on the screen recording control and then enable microphone before the recording itself. To check your recording, go to Photos and find it right here as the most recent media file. Here is the recording that we made. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.